morning, sir.
Yes, am I audible? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible? Okay, voice is clear? Yes,
Yes,
voice
sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, now please let me know the screen is visible or not?
Not, sir.
Yes, screen is visible. Okay, now it is
Not,
visible.
sir. Me not visible.
No, sir, it is not visible.
Ye-
Sir, visible.
Visible or not?
Abhi visible hai.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, good. Okay. Now, please all of you remember, today is last lecture in this portion of electronic and principal. Okay, tomorrow onwards, another portion it will be started. And this portion, it is the signal and system. And this portion will cover by Pinkesh sir. Okay, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, am I audible? Okay, now this work file is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can observe the syllabus of analog electronics. Okay, up to this red color we have completed up to second internal. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please give me your acknowledgement first because in today's lecture I have to finish the syllabus of analog electronics. Okay, so please concentrate. Okay, and it is not required to write anything. At the end of this lecture, I will share the presentation as well as this work file. Okay, now in this work file, the entire internal syllabus of analog electronics or transistor, it is chapter 9, chapter 10 and chapter 11. Okay, please note down chapter 9, chapter 10 and chapter 11. It is the syllabus of third sectional and in the portion of transistor. And please remember, in addition of this syllabus, another one is the signal and system. And this portion, it will be started from next lecture onwards. Okay, the remaining 5 or 6 lecture, it is the syllabus of signal and system. Okay, it is the syllabus regarding only transistor. It is clear? Chapter 9, 10, 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, up to here we have completed chapter number 9. Okay, it is the basic chapter. Up to here we have completed chapter number 9, and please remember it is the basic chapter. In today's lecture, I will discuss the concept of the chapter number 10. Okay, in the today lecture, I will discuss the concept of the chapter number 10. And my request to all of you that chapter number 11, you have to do with yourself. Okay, if you have any specific doubt, then you can give me the WhatsApp message or simple message or mail. Then I will try to solve your difficulty. Is that clear? Chapter number 11, you have to do with yourself. Is that clear? Yes, it is clear. Happy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, your voice is not audible. It is clear,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now please focus on the chapter number 10. Okay, the main part I am discussing here, the presentation is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, presentation is visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes. Okay, and the position of mouse is also visible. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So please note down there is the full topic in the chapter number 10. It is the voltage amplifier. Okay, the topic is voltage gain, loading effect of input impedance, swamp amplifier, and the multi-stage amplifier. Okay, these are the main core topics in the chapter number 10. And please remember, the basic concept of chapter number 10 we already discussed in the previous chapter number 9. Okay, now my request to all of you that please don't write anything. Okay, at the end of this lecture, I will share this presentation in your Google Classroom. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now next slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Next slide is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Now what is voltage gain? This definition already we discussed in the previous lecture. Output voltage divided by input voltage. It is known as the voltage gain. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Please give me your acknowledgement. Yes, am I right? Okay. Now, the first theory here we will discuss how we can compute the voltage gain of the transistor amplifier. How we can compute the voltage gain of the transistor amplifier. Okay. Now, this circuit is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? It is which
Yes,
kind of
sir.
circuit? Voltage divider bias emitter amplifier. Okay. And the configuration is a common emitter. Please remember the emitter is the common between input and output. Okay. Now, you can observe at this capacitor, we mark the cross sign. What is the reason? For AC signal, the capacitor it is short circuit, okay, and the DC it is open circuit, okay. That's why we have marked here. The please note down for the DC signal capacitor open and AC signal it will be short circuit. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now
Yes,
it is
sir.
the AC equivalent circuit. Okay. Yes, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. This is the AC equivalent circuit of the common emitter amplifier. Is that clear? This circuit is
Yes.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, how we can draw this circuit we discussed in the previous lecture. For AC equivalent circuit, what are the steps? So it is your circuit diagram. Okay, first step it is your all the capacitor is short circuit. Okay, then VCC is ground. And third step is transistor is replaced by either T model or pi model. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I right? Okay, and then after we can draw the circuit. Okay, as we discussed in the previous lecture that AC short, capacitor is the short circuit. The first one is V. This R1 and R2 becomes two in parallel. Then transistor replaced by pi model. Okay, you can observe in this circuit. It is a V in R1 and R2 in parallel. Transistor replaced by its pi model. This one is beta RE dash is the input impedance of transistor. Okay, this IC is the control source, current source. Okay, and at the output side, okay, once again observe the circuit. At the output side, the RE it is becomes to short circuit because this capacitor is short. That's why RE effect it is neglect. Okay, then after RC it is ground and in parallel with RL. Okay, and at the output voltage it is across RL. The circuit is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the circuit is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible? Okay. So according to this circuit, we can find out the equation of voltage gain. How can we compute the equation of voltage gain? So please remember this IB is the base current. Okay, it is flow in the input, and here it is V out. So now anyone tell me what is the equation of V in from this circuit diagram? What is the equation of V in from this circuit diagram? V in is the voltage drop across R1, voltage drop across R2, and voltage drop across beta RE dash. Am I right? Because these T are in parallel. Am I right?
Yes, sir. IB into R2 भी हो सकता है और IB into R1 भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, IB into beta RE dash. Okay, what is the voltage drop across here? The beta RE dash is the value of resistance multiplied with IB. So can we say V in is equal to IB into beta RE dash?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is V output? So V output, it is the voltage drop across RC parallel RL. Okay, V output is voltage drop across RC parallel RL. That's why V output is equal to IC in the parallel RC plus RL. RC parallel RL. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no. And what is IC is replaced by beta times IB. Okay, IC is replaced by beta times IB. Okay, then take the ratio of V out divided by V in. Okay, take the ratio of V out divided by V in. So you can observe V out is beta IB RC parallel RL divided by IB RE dash. Okay, IB beta it may be cancelled. So what is the final equation of voltage gain? What is the final equation of voltage gain?
RC parallel RL upon RE dash.
Yes, what?
RC parallel
Yeah,
RL
so please remember
upon
final
RE dash.
equation of voltage gain. Yeah, RC parallel RL divided by RE dash. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please remember
Yes, sir.
this equation is the negative value. This equation is the negative value. Anyone tell me why it is negative value? Actual equation is RC parallel RL. Okay, please remember RC parallel RL, it is denoted by small rc. Okay, that is the well-known equation of voltage gain RC upon RE dash. And actually this value is the negative value. Anyone tell me why it is negative from this circuit? So please remember IB, it is current flow in the beta RE dash. It is in which direction? Current of IB? Upward or downward?
Downward.
IB direction is upward or downward? Downward. Okay, so what is the potential? Here it is positive and here negative. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? Okay, here positive, here negative. It is IC. Now, what is the direction of IC? Upward or downward? Across, V out? This IC, it is flow like in that way. So, what is the direction of IC? Upward or downward?
Down.
Yes, am I audible?
Upward.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Upward. Okay, upward. So, where is the positive terminal? Where is the V out is the positive? Upward or downward? Current is upward. Okay, the bottom one is positive and top one is negative. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so please remember this voltage gain AV is minus RC upon RE dash. This voltage gain AV is the minus RC upon RE dash. And what is the significance of negative sign? What is the significance of negative sign? Your output signal is 180 degree out of phase with respect to input. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me yes or no. So please note down
Yes,
that
sir.
in the common emitter amplifier, the output voltage, it is 180 degree out of phase with respect to input. Okay, now next slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Next slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please remember it is another AC equivalent circuit. Another AC equivalent circuit of the VDB. Anyone tell me what is the modification here? What is the modification here? Transistor replaced by, instead of the pi model, here replaced by T model. Agree? Please give me your response. Otherwise, finally, at the end of everything, it is in your self-study. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, my expectation from all of you agree it is the AC equivalent circuit of the VDB. And please remember here transistor, it is replaced by T model instead of the pi model. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please
Yes.
observe this position of my mouse. If you have confusion, then please refer this portion. Okay, this portion, it is your transistor T model. Okay, this portion, it is your transistor T model. Is that clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
So please remember the AC equivalent circuit, we can refer either T model or pi model, it is the difference. Okay, the here it is a transistor T model AC equivalent circuit. And accordingly, this circuit, what is V? The V is equal to I into RE dash. Why I into RE dash? Because here current flow is I. Am I right? As mentioned here, that is I into RE dash. V output is remain same. IC into RC. Okay, the what is the equation of voltage gain? It is remain same because IC is approximately I, it will be cancelled out. Okay, the equation of voltage gain, it is RC upon RE, RC upon RE dash. This is a similar equation as we discussed in the previous classic circuit with the help of the pi model. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me up to here any doubt. Okay, next circuit is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next circuit is visible. Okay, now it is the well-known example of VDB. We have discussed number of times in the previous chapter number 9 or 8. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Please give me a response first. Don't write anything. Only you have to tell me yes or no. If you have any doubts, then here I am available with you. I can solve your doubt. Is that clear? Now in this circuit, I want to find out the voltage gain and output peak-to-peak voltage of the amplifier. Okay, input signal is the 2 milliwatt peak-to-peak. Now in this circuit, I want to find out the voltage gain. How can we compute the voltage gain? AV is equal to minus RC upon RE dash. Okay, what is RC? So capital RC parallel RL. Am I right?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
Yes.
Please refer the step. What is RC? It is the capital RC parallel RL. Your answer is the 2.65 kilo ohm. Okay, now we have to compute RE dash. How we can compute RE dash? The 25 milliwatt divided by I. Already we have computed I, basic current. What is current? 1.1 milliampere. So RE dash is the 22.7. Okay, so what is the voltage gain? Capital small RC divided by RE dash 2.65 divided by 22.7. It means the voltage gain of the given circuit is the 117. Is that clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khushi, are you present in the meeting? IC02 number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now any other doubt, anyone? I'm asking to all of you. Any doubts, anyone, then please let me know.
No, sir.
Yes, okay, can I continue the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can I continue the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes. Okay, now please refer the screen because we have very small amount of the time. Okay, I have to summarize all the 4 topics in the chapter number 10 within this less amount of the time. And please try to understand that this lecture is required towards 3 lectures. Okay, but I'm not spending your time because you have the mass promotion in the external examination. The circular you get regarding mass promotion?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I got the circular regarding the mass promotion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please remember external examination it is not there, but sir internal examination is there. Okay, so please all of you prepare with the sir internal examination. Okay, and your based on your score of the first, second, and third, you get the mass promotion in the external. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that clear? Okay, now the next topic in the chapter number 10 is the loading effect of the input impedance. This circuit is visible.
Yes, sir.
The circuit is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
happy?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is the modification in this circuit compared to previous one? Anyone tell me where is the modification here? Where is the modification?
सर यहाँ पे बेस करंट भी मतलब
What is the modification?
RG सर
यहाँ पे एक ये रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पर ऐड किया हुआ है, am I right?
RG हुआ सर. Yes,
Am
sir.
I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
RG and Y. Please remember RG it is the internal impedance of this generator. Okay, यहाँ से आप जो इनपुट अप्लाई करोगे, okay, ये इनपुट जो आपका जनरेटर वोल्टेज होगा, ये जनरेटर वोल्टेज का इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस है RG. And please try to understand what is the loading effect because of this internal resistance of the RG. What is the loading effect because of this internal resistance of the RG? Now please note down here we divide the input impedance into 2 parts, Zerin base and Zerin stage. Okay, we divide here input impedance in the 2 parts, Zerin base and the Zerin stage. Okay, now first point here, this circuit I want to draw the AC equivalent circuit. Okay, now please refer the next screen. It is visible? It
Yes,
is
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please remember here we have to consider RG. In the AC equivalent circuit, here we have to consider RG. Now because of that, what is the effect? So please remember Zerin stage is the R1 parallel R2 parallel beta REDS. Here it is the Zerin base. Zerin base it is same as the input impedance of transistor beta REDS. And Zerin stage here it is R1 parallel R2 parallel beta REDS. Clear? So can we draw this circuit like in that way? Here RG, Zerin stage is the R1 parallel R2 parallel beta REDS and here it is V. Okay, so what is the equation of V? Zerin stage divided by RG plus Zerin stage into VG. This equation is clear? Anyone tell me how this equation comes? Our equation with the help of which law here we apply?
Voltage
This
divider.
equation is visible?
Voltage divider.
Yeah, voltage divider rule. So please remember Zerin stage divided by total resistance into total voltage, VA. So you can understand what is the effect of RG. Suppose RG na hoy, so Zerin stage, it will be cancelled out and RG becomes to 0. So VE is equal to VG. Am I right? As previous derivation. But because of this RG, what is the problem? Your VE it is less than VG. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because of RG, your input voltage here, Vin, it is less than Vg. It is known as the loading effect of transistor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, please remember RG ની વેલ્યુ જેટલી બી વધારે હશે એટલી લોડિંગ ઇફેક્ટ તમારી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થશે. લોડિંગ ઇફેક્ટ means actually Vin means the input signal given to the transistor, it is less than actual signal. આ actual signal છે, બરાબર? એટલે Vin તમારો actual signal કરતા ઓછો થશે because of RG. It is known as the loading effect. Is that clear? The next screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Next example is visible. Now please try to understand this example. It is very interesting. Okay, again this example is a similar example as we discussed in the previous theory. Only here we add RG is equal to 600. Input is remain same 2 millivolt. Input is remain same 2 millivolt. Okay, only we are adding this RG is the 600. Now because of that, please try to understand what is the effect in the output voltage. Okay, please not write anything. Please try to observe the screen. Okay, all of you are here. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please refer the step. Please refer the step. What is beta? Beta, okay. Now before that, please remember this calculation we have done for the two different value of beta. Beta is equal to 300 and beta is equal to 50. Okay. Now first calculation am I considering beta is equal to 300. Please remember the circuit is remains same. The RE dash is at 22.7. The voltage gain of the circuit is remains same 117 as we compared in the previous example. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Please give me your signal or your response as the quick because we have limited period of the time. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now beta is equal to 300. So what is the Zerin base? It is the beta times RE dense. It is the 6.83. Okay, now what is the Zerin stage? R1 parallel, R2 parallel, beta RE dense. It is 1.42K. So what is V? The V is the 1.42K divided by 600 plus 1.42K multiplied by total input voltage. It is becomes to 1.41. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
What is your observation? Our calculation માંથી તમારો observation શું છે? Yes, am I audible?
V input is less than
Yes, Happy, what is your observation here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kusi, what is your observation? In this calculation, what is your observation? Row number 2, Kusi. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Happy, can you tell me what is observation? Yes,
सर यहाँ पे वीन जो ये हमने इनपुट दिया है
your act.
या जो इनपुट
Okay.
दिया है उससे कम है मतलब हमने 2 मिलीवोल्ट दिया तो हमको
Yeah,
Vin
obviously, we apply input is the 2 milliwatt. Okay, but transistor में कितना जाएगा? 1.41 milliwatt. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, accordingly, what is your output voltage? The output voltage is 117 into 1.41, means the 165 milliwatt. Means the output voltage it is decreased. It is known as the loading effect. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
sir.
Okay. Now let us consider. Okay, what is the previous calculation output voltage? Previous calculation your output voltage it is your 234 milliwatt because 2 milliwatt it is same as the input. The output voltage is 234 milliwatt. So it is meaning of the loading effect. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please calculate the similar thing. Please calculate the similar thing for beta is equal to 50. The beta is equal to 50. It means the Zerin base becomes to 1.14. Zerin stage becomes to 698. Or your V in it is becomes to 1.08. Means our calculation में तुम्हारा V in previous calculation करता पर ओछा आवश्य. What is reason? Because the beta valuing of the transistor is decreased. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Because of that, your V out becomes to 126 milliwatt. Because of that, your V out is even decreasing 126 milliwatt. So what is your observation? The observation is for reducing the loading effect, the beta DC of the transistor, it should be as possible we increase the value of beta. Beta ની value જેટલી બી વધારે હશે એટલી loading effect તમારી reduce થશે. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next slide is visible. Okay, now next one, it is the third theory in the chapter number 10. It is the multi-stage amplifier. Okay, now what is meaning of multi-stage amplifier? Multi-stage amplifier, it means the number of amplifiers connected in the series. Okay, or it is known as a cascade. You can observe here AV1, it is the first amplifier. Output of the AV1 connect to the second amplifier, then third amplifier, like in that way. So whenever the number of amplifiers connected in the series, it is known as the multi-stage amplifier. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next circuit is visible. Next circuit,
Yes.
okay. Can you tell me what is the meaning of this circuit? What is the meaning of this circuit?
2 बार amplification हो रहा है sir.
Yes, okay, please remember it is the pulse amplifier.
2 बार.
Okay, this pulse amplifier, so it is the second amplifier, means the output of the first amplifier connected with the second amplifier. It means the 2 amplifiers are connected in the series. It means it is in the cascade. Okay, 2 amplifiers connected in the series, it means it is known as the multi-stage amplifier. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please try to understand in the multi-stage amplifier how we can find out the voltage gain. So please remember, it is the AC equivalent circuit of the multi-stage amplifier. It is the AC equivalent circuit of the multi-stage amplifier. Now, how can you understand this circuit? So please remember, how can you understand this circuit? Please try to remember. Here, two amplifier in the cascade. Okay, two amplifier connected in the cascade. It means the two transistor it is present in the circuit. It means this two transistor replaced by the pi model. Okay, now R1 parallel, R2 parallel, beta RE dash. It is known as the Zerin. It is known as the Zerin stage. Am I right? So please remember, this R1 parallel, R2 parallel, beta RE dash. It is your Zerin stage. Clear? It is the transistor pi model of your first transistor. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. This RC, it is the connected resistance of the first transistor. Then after second transistor, the Zerin stage, it is the Zerin stage is the R1 parallel, R2 parallel, beta RE dash of the second transistor. And this one is the pi model of second transistor. It is your final connected resistance and parallel RL. Okay, so accordingly that we can draw the transistor AC equivalent circuit of the multi-stage amplifier. Please refer this circuit. Clear? Please tell me it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again I repeat. Yes, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can I continue the next slide? Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
please remember the first transistor R1 parallel R2. Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Please tell me. Okay, now please remember
No, sir.
first transistor R1 parallel R2 parallel beta RE dash. Okay, second transistor R1 parallel R2 parallel beta RE dash. It is RC and it is RC. So it is simplified like in that way. You can observe. Okay, Zerin stage 1. It is the Zerin stage 2. Okay, it is the pi model of first transistor. RC, it is the corrected resistance of the first transistor. This one, it is the pi model of the second transistor. This RC, it is the corrected resistance of the second amplifier and then RL. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no. Okay, now please remember how we can modify the equation. So whenever in the first transistor I want to compute the voltage gain, it is known as the AV1. This AV1 is the small RC upon RDS. But in the first transistor, small RC is the RC parallel Zerin stage. Am I right? Please refer the model. Why in the first transistor? First transistor RL is not present. You can observe in this circuit. The first transistor RL is not present. So what is RL? RL, it is the input of the second amplifier. And this input of the second amplifier is this RC parallel Zerin stage 1. Sorry, Zerin stage 2. Okay, please remember here RC is the capital RC parallel Zerin stage 2. What is voltage gain? The small RC divided by RDS. And then after second transistor, RC is the capital RC parallel RL and AV2 is RC parallel RL upon RDS. And final amplifier gain, it is the multiplication of AV1 into AV2. It is the procedure for calculation of the voltage gain in the multi-stage amplifier. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please observe the calculation here. Okay, it is very interesting for you. Now it is the multi-stage amplifier. Both the transistor beta is equal to 100. R1, R2, RC, RE is remain same. It means the two identical transistor amplifiers are connected in series. Please remember, two identical transistor amplifier are connected in series. Okay, it is their input. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Please refer the marker position. It is your input. This input, it is connected with the first amplifier. That is the first amplifier circuit. Okay, it is the second amplifier circuit. Clear? And both the amplifier are identical. Both the amplifier are identical amplifier. Okay, now how we can compute the value of the voltage gain in the given circuit? So please refer the next slide, the step. Okay, these are the value. I is the 1.1, RE dash is the 22.7. What is the Zerin base? Beta RE dash. Zerin stage R1 parallel, R2 parallel, beta RE dash. Okay, what is V in? V in is the 1K upon 600 plus 1K into 1 milliwatt. It is the V in. Okay, what is the Zerin stage 2? It is the similar value of the Zerin stage 2. So what is the AV1? So RC parallel Zerin stage 2, 783. So AV1 is the 34.5. What is 80? What is output collector voltage? The AV1 into V in. It is the 21.6. Again, this voltage is amplified with the second stage. What is the second stage? RC, capital RC parallel RL upon RE dash 117. Okay, so again, this value multiplied with 117. There is a final output 2.52 volt. It is clear? Can I repeat,
Yes,
or it
sir.
is clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I repeat once again,
Yes, sir.
or it is clear?
Can you repeat?
Clear. Okay, please refer the slide.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Now it is your 1 milliwatt input. 1 milliwatt input. Yes, am I audible? Any doubt?
सर ये हम डबल जो कास्ट कार्ड में हम जोड़ते हैं
Yes.
उसका मतलब क्या है सर? मतलब इनपुट हमको जो दिया हमने पहले इनपुट
Okay.
और आउटपुट में एक डिफरेंस क्या होगा? मतलब सर दो बार हम एम्प्लीफिकेशन करते हैं तो
Okay. Okay, I will explain with you. What is input here? 1 milliwatt?
यस सर,
Yes or no?
यस सर,
Input is 1 milliwatt. Okay. Now this RG is present. It means that because of loading effect, transistor input, it is obviously less than 1 milliwatt. Am I right?
यस सर,
Okay. And then after this input multiply with the first amplifier voltage gain. Means here it is the first output voltage. Am I right?
यस सर,
Am I right?
यस सर,
Okay. Now what is this output voltage? Please refer the step. Please refer the step. Zerin stage is 1 kilo ohm. Zerin base is the 2.27 K. Your V in actual V is 1 milliwatt, but because of the loading effect, V in becomes to 0.625 milliwatt. This 0.625 milliwatt, it is amplified with the first amplifier gain. Now what is the first amplifier gain? The first amplifier gain is the 3.6 parallel 1K 783 divided by 22.7, 34.5. It means your first amplifier 34.5 multiplied by 0.625. It means 21.6 milliwatt signal तने क्या मर से? 21.6 milliwatt signal. It is here output of the first stage amplifier.
यस सर,
Am I right?
यस सर,
And again, this signal, it is amplified with the second. So what is the amplifier? What is the voltage gain of the second? So please remember, the first output is the 21.6. Input is 0.625. Output of the first amplifier 21.6. Again, this 21.6 milliwatt, it is amplified by the second amplifier gain. What is the second amplifier gain? 117. So 117 multiplied with the 21.6. So what is the output of the second amplifier? 2.52. Clear?
यस सर,
Tell me yes or no.
यस
Okay,
सर,
so please remember 21.6. Okay, 21.6 milliwatt. Input is the 1 milliwatt. Here 21.6 milliwatt and here 2 point something volt. Now can you tell me what is the advantage of this circuit? What is the advantage of this circuit?
मतलब वोल्टेज को डबल
Yes,
मतलब
happy. What is the advantage
सिग्नल
here?
को डबल वोल्टेज को
Yeah,
डबल करना हो
voltage
तो
again amplification होगा. It means double नहीं, amplification ज़्यादा करना होगा. Double it is not sure.
એપ્લિકેશન
Point is clear. અહીંયા તારો ઇનપુટ 1 મિલીવોટ છે પહેલું એમ્પ્લીફાયર એને એમ્પ્લીફાય કરે છે કેટલા વોલ્ટેજ આપે છે 21.6 મિલીવોટ again 21.6 milliwatt it may not be sufficient voltage, so again this voltage it should be amplified by the second amplifier. So what is my output? It is the 2 point something. Point is clear. The output is the 2
Yes,
point
sir.
something. You can observe here first amplifier output it is the 21.6 something. Okay, and then final amplifier output it is the 2.52. Clear?
यस सर, मतलब ज्यादा
Please
एम्पलीफाई
tell me any doubt.
नो सर,
Yeah, तो मतलब आपको अगर ज्यादा एम्पलीफाई करना है then we can use. And please remember, two stage amplifier होगा तो your negative sign becomes to positive. It
Yes,
means
sir.
it is also one important thing. Please remember the two stage amplifier. Okay, it is the common emitter amplifier. The input is 1 milliwatt peak to peak. After amplification here inverted 180 degree. Again this inverted voltage again inverted. So it means here output it is again same. Point
Yes,
is clear.
यस सर,
Okay, so this one you must be remember whenever the multi-stage amplifier is the even order, means the two stage. Okay, the output signal it is becomes to in phase with the input signal. Clear?
यस सर,
Please tell me up to here any doubt. Okay, now last theory in the chapter number 10 is the SWAMP amplifier circuit. Okay, now please remember SWAMP amplifier circuit. It is again here we are using VDB. Can you tell me where is the modification here? Our circuit માં કોઈ modification છે?
आर
Compared to normal VDB,
सर एमीटर रेजिस्टेंस भी जोड़ दिया.
RE, small RE.
capital
Okay,
R.
emitter resistance ને completely bypass નથી કર્યું. Okay, emitter resistance divide in the two parts, small RE and the capital RE.
Yes, sir.
Capital RE connected with the bypass capacitor, but the small RE it is not connected with the bypass capacitor. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Okay, now please try to understand what is the advantage because of that. So one way it is stabilize the voltage gain. Because the advantage of that, it is stabilize the voltage gain. Please remember, swamp amplifier, it is stabilize the voltage gain. Okay, how it is stabilized, we can discuss with the help of this derivation. That please write down, the overcome is it is produce a negative feedback. Okay, stabilize the gain means it is produce a negative feedback. Because the AC voltage across small RE dash oppose the change in the voltage gain. And this unbypassed resistor RE, okay, please remember, આ resistor ને RE આપી છે, એટલે RE dash આપણે symbol use કરીએ તો chapter 9 માં. Okay, so this small RE, it is called the feedback resistor. Okay, and please write down what are the advantage. Okay, I will discuss with you advantage. Okay, now it is the swamp amplifier circuit. Okay, now I want to draw the AC equivalent circuit. હવે આની AC equivalent circuit draw કરશો તો એમાં small RE આવશે કે નહીં આવે? Yes, am I audible? I want to draw the AC equivalent circuit of the swamp
Yes, sir.
amplifier. The small
Yes, sir.
RE is present in the circuit. Yes, because capital RE are short circuit થઈ જશે, એટલે capital RE નીકળી જશે, but small RE it is present in the circuit.
Yes,
So
sir.
please remember, it is the AC equivalent circuit of the swamp amplifier. It is the AC equivalent circuit of the swamp amplifier. Please understand this capacitor short circuit. It is the V in R1 parallel R2. It is remain same. And please remember, here I am replacing transistor with which model? T model or pi model? આ ટ્રાન્ઝિસ્ટર ને મેં કયો મોડલ થી રિપ્લેસ કર્યું છે આમાં? T model. Okay, please remember this transistor is replaced in the circuit with the help of the T model. Okay. Now, please you can observe in this circuit that this RE it is present. This RE is the present because this RE it may not be bypassed with the capacitor. This RE it is present in the circuit. Clear? So it is your AC equivalent circuit of the swamp amplifier. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Now in this circuit, I want to find out the voltage gain. In this circuit, I want to find out the voltage gain. Please remember where is the difference. So here it is V in. Okay. This V in, it is I in the bracket RE plus RE dash. Can I write? કેમ કે અહીંયા આ વોલ્ટેજ ડ્રોપ થશે એ તમારો ઇનપુટ વોલ્ટેજ છે બરાબર એ ઇનપુટ વોલ્ટેજ કેટલો થશે તો કરંટ મલ્ટીપ્લાય વિથ ધ ટોટલ રેઝિસ્ટન્સ so what is the current I and total resistance RE plus RE dash. Okay, and what is the V output? It is remains same IC into RC. So what is your voltage gain? The voltage gain here V out upon V in IC into RE divided by I in the bracket RE plus RE dash. It means what is the modification here? The voltage gain of the swamp amplifier becomes to RC divided by RE plus RE dash. It is the main difference here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Please give me your acknowledgement. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please remember in the previous amplifier, voltage gain is RC upon RE dash. In the swamp amplifier, voltage gain is RC divided by RE plus RE dash. Okay, is that clear?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and please remember this RE, it is give the effect of negative feedback. And because of the negative feedback, it is stabilize the voltage gain. It is the advantage. And please note down that RE, it is large compared to RE dash. What is the value of RE dash? As we compute in the previous example, approximately 22 ohm. And this RE, it is the large value. So this RE is the large value. So RE plus RE dash, it is becomes to approximately RE. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Because RE ની value વધારે છે RE dash કરતા, so RE plus RE dash is approximately RE. It is the meaning of the swamping. It means RE ની effect આના ઉપર શું થશે? Dominate થઈ જશે. The effect of RE, small RE, it will becomes to dominate on the RE dash. It is the meaning of the swamping. That's why the name of this amplifier is the swamp amplifier. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is that clear? So please remember the example name is the swamp amplifier because it is the swamping the effect of RE dash. It is swamping the effect of RE dash means RE swamp out the variation in RE dash. Okay, now what is RE dash? What is RE dash? RE dash
AC emitter resistance. AC
Can you tell me
emitter
RE dash
resistance.
depends on which one? Yeah, AC emitter resistance 25 milliwatt divided by I. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
this
sir.
resistance, it may depends on the beta. This resistance, it may depends
Yes,
on
sir.
the beta of the transistor. Okay, but this one, it is swamp out. The small RE, it is swamp out the variation in RE dash. That's why the circuit becomes too stable. Okay, the speed, because of this result, we can achieve the stable voltage gain. That's why this circuit, it is give the stable voltage gain. Okay, another advantage. What is the input impedance? So please remember the input impedance at the base is the V in upon IB. What is V in I upon RE plus RE dash? Okay, that's why what is V in I upon RE plus RE dash? So Zerin base it is V in upon IB. V in is I upon RE plus RE dash upon IB. It means the input impedance of the transistor becomes to beta times RE plus RE dash. Here another modification in the SWAM amplifier. Okay, in the previous amplifier, what is the input impedance? Beta times RE dash. Here input impedance is beta times RE plus RE dash. It means again the input impedance of the SWAM amplifier is increased compared to previous one. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Please let me know
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt. Okay, good. So please remember the input impedance becomes to beta times RE plus RE dash in the case of SWAMP amplifier. Okay, I hope that appear all of you is clear. Okay, and it is a comparison without feedback resistor. Ordinary amplifier gain is RC upon RE dash. SWAMP amplifier gain is RC upon RE. Means the effect of RE dash is nullified. Clear? And having the three advantage: stabilize the voltage gain. Second advantage, increase the input impedance. And third advantage, reduce the distortion of the loud signal. Now it is one of the example of the calculation of the SWAM amplifier. This circuit is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This circuit is visible.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, please understand what is the difference. Without swamping, we use the 1 kilo ohm RE, and this 1 kilo ohm RE directly bypass with the bypass capacitor. But here this 1 kilo ohm divided in the two part 820 plus 180, and this 180 ohm it is without bypass. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how we compute the voltage gain? So please remember Zerin base is the beta RE plus RE dash. RE dash is remain same. The input impedance at the base 40.5 kilo ohm. Okay, Zerin stage R1 parallel R2 parallel input impedance of the base 1.72 kilo. Similar calculation. Okay. Now what is V in? So V in here it is becomes to 37 millivolt because of the loading effect. It is clear this calculation?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And what is voltage gain? RC upon RC plus RE dash. What is RC? 2.65. Capital RC parallel RM. This R is the 180. This RE dash is the 22.7. The gain is the 13.1. Okay, the what is the output voltage? The output voltage it is becomes to voltage gain multiply input. Input is the 37. The output voltage becomes to 485 millivolts. Clear? That is the calculation of the SWAM amplifier example. Please tell me if you have any doubt in this whole theory of the chapter number 10. Please tell me any doubt, anyone. Yes, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, please summarize the point. Chapter number 10, there is a four theory: voltage gain, loading effect, SWAMP amplifier, and the multi-stage amplifier. Okay, according to your syllabus, it is the chapter number 10. There is the four topics. Okay. Now I will share this presentation in your Google Classroom as well as it is the syllabus of your third sectional in the portion of transistor. Okay, and chapter number 11, you can refer from the textbook. If you found any difficulty, then I am available. You can contact with me. I will help you. Okay, so up to here, it is the last lecture of the syllabus of the transistor. Okay, tomorrow onwards, the lecture it will be taken by Professor Pinkface. Okay, and it is the syllabus of the signal and system. Clear? Up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. So thank you all of you. Okay, and best of luck for your examination. Fourth or internal. Obviously, the external is the mass promotion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you all of you, and best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.